Alright, in this video tutorial we're going to go over how to fix formatting issues that you might run into while using the blog utility in Waypoint. This website is Action Bullet, and we'll be using it as a sample on how to perform this operation. So the issue we actually have on the site right now is that the font over here in the left, this is larger than it's supposed to be. Generally the font size for this particular design is more like this on the left. So sometimes you run into an issue where the font gets larger, different errors, and I'll show you how to resolve those. First step we have to do is log into our site by going to login.aspx, enter in your username and password. Now that we're logged in, you should see your Waypoint menu bar. You want to basically go to my website, blogs, manage blogs. This is going to give you a list of all the blogs that you're working with on your site. In this case, we're going to look at the news and events blog. You may have multiple blogs. It could happen to any one of them. So what we do is just click on the name of that blog to go to it. Here's all the entries, and you'll see, I believe this particular one, we're going to go ahead and click edit on this entry right here. Yep, that's the one. Now when the editor loads, you'll see again this font size is probably larger than it has to be. The tool that we can use in the rich text editor, and this also works when you're using a rich text editor on just on a regular page as opposed to the blog. You have this tool right here. This is the format stripper tool. What this does is removes extra HTML markup that you may not want. There's different modes you can run it in. You don't have to highlight any particular text. This applies immediately to the entire body of the editor. So in this case, we're going to try a few different ones. We'll try cascading style sheets. As you can see already, that removed the extra formatting that we had. Generally, we also apply fonts and span tags. So the three we usually do are cascading style sheets, fonts, and span tags. If you pasted content out of Microsoft Word into your web page, you can also run the Microsoft Word formatting cleanup. This removes extra formatting in the HTML that often comes over when you paste things out of Word. All HTML tags you don't want to usually run because that will actually remove links and any other formatting. That literally just makes it flat text when you're done with it. So the ones you want to focus on are these bottom three. So it looks like we've already got the extra formatting out of there that we don't want. Scroll down, click Save. Now when we go back to our home page where we're rendering these, you'll see that the font now is smaller.